Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do slow motion in CapCut PC. So in here, I have this video that I've already imported to the CapCut PC timeline, and I want to make this video into a slow motion video. So what you need to do is just click on the video and head to speed at the top. And here is the speed, and if you want to make it slower, you can just turn down the speed by swiping it to the left. For example, I'm going to make it 0.7 times slower. And here, to have a better quality of slow motion video, you need to check this box and then choose the optical flow. So it will take a longer time to process, but it will have a better quality. So click on that. You can see the processing is quite slow here, but just wait until it finishes and you'll get a good quality of slow motion video. So now the smooth slow-mo has been applied, and this is the result for the smooth slow motion video. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.